What to do if the toilet plate button does not work? First, remove the external plate by applying light pressure from the bottom up. Now remove the black plastic cover by rotating these two pins. Now that you have access to the tank, go and act on the non-working button. In our case it was the one on the right. As you can see, here the rod of the right button was stuck at the bottom, and therefore no longer took control. After having fixed it, putting it back in its original position, close everything and check that you have solved the problem.